If you want to create a border selection in GIMP, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a really useful technique when you want to outline an object, make a frame, or create a clean border effect for editing and design work. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials just like this. First, make sure you already have an active selection on your canvas. You should see the moving dashed lines, sometimes called the marching ants, around the area you want to work with. If you do not have a selection yet, use one of GIMP's selection tools first, like the Rectangle Select, Ellipsis Select, or Free Select tool. Once your selection is ready, go up to the top menu and click Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Border. This opens the Border Selection dialog box, where you can control exactly how the border will look. The first setting is Border Selection By. Here, you can enter the thickness of your border. You can type a number in pixels or change the unit dropdown if you want to work in inches, millimeters, or another measurement type. Next, look at border style. If you want smooth, clean edges with anti-aliasing, choose Smooth. If you want a sharper, more blocky, pixel-precise look, choose Hard. Then you'll see Lock Selection to image edges. If your selection touches the edge of the canvas, turn this on so GIMP does not create a border that goes outside the visible image area. That is especially important when you are working near the edges of your design. Once your settings are correct, click OK. GIMP will instantly convert your selection into a hollow ring outline, which is your new border selection. From here, you can use it for effects, fills, outlines, or any kind of editing you need. If you want to apply a color to that border, drag from the FG color box to set a color for your border. This is a fast way to match the border to your foreground color and keep your workflow simple. You can then continue editing, fill the border, or combine it with other tools for more advanced results. And that is how to make a border selection in GIMP. It is simple, fast, and very useful once you know where to find the command. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next GIMP how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.